Welcome guys, this is KOK Gift Baskets and More, bringing to you some more Valentine's Day concepts. In this one guys, I used the non-traditional little disco cow. This was part of the holiday markdowns at Walmart. So I have the box of chocolates in front of them. I have a bottle of perfume. I have a necklace and earring set with the 6 little roses there in the front. I also have Bath and Body Works Pure Wonder, the body wash, and the body spray. On this side here, I have the 2 set of lip balm. I have a tumbler, and I added a pretty little straw cover there. Over here, I have a loofah sponge, and I have a vase that I placed some artificial flowers in. And I think this came out really nice, guys. I added my little fairy lights around the edge. And I think this is going to make a really nice gift, okay? So I want to add something different to my gift lineup. Everybody doesn't want a bear. They don't want a rose bear. So I'm just adding variety with this cow. And he turned out just wonderful for me. So hold on guys, let me get this one down and get one more. Okay guys, this one here is, let me get you back in range here. Let's go to this side. I have a large bear, a plush bear. He's about 39 inches tall. I have him holding a big box of chocolates. I have a rose heart here in this plastic container. I have a bottle of perfume, necklace and earring set. I also have a vase with some flowers by the bear. I added some little bows to the bear just to dress her up a little bit. Okay, let's go around here. I got my tumbler in here. I also have the Bath and Body Works Pure Wonder. In this one, I have the spray and the lotion. I have a pillow that says Hello Valentine. And let's turn it here. I have one of the blankets from CVS. I forgot to turn my lights on. So I got a blanket back there from CVS, and I have a set of these little plush lips here. And they're at the top. I'm going to try to find a way to sit it up. It sits up, but then it falls back down. So I also added, when Dollar General had their green dot sale, they had these beautiful roses with the fairy lights on them. So I found 4 boxes of those, and I just added the little strand around the rim of the box. I also added a white and red heart to the front of the box. Okay, so this is it for this concept, guys. I don't think I have, nope, I don't have anything else in here. All right, guys, I hope you like this concept here. And I hope that you can take something from these concepts and use them in your gifts. But that will be it for this video. Anyway, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.